He sent me a screenshot of his funded account, and the account was around $5,000. And as at when he sent it to me, this account was totally empty. Yo, that's around 7 million naira gone like that. Not by a business loss, not by having a business investment that went wrong, but literally from his trading mistakes. Tony came to me by himself. He was so unhappy about his losses, and he kept saying something most traders would always say. You know, that kind of confidence where you are like, I had it all figured out. As I was scrolling through his trading account, my heart dropped. Tony had deposited, traded, made losses, deposited again, took another trade, made more losses, over and over and over again. And the painful part is that it wasn't that he didn't have the money. It was how he was trading. Using big lot sizes, like he was trying to flip the money overnight. No single patience, no self-discipline. He was just about, let me enter again. It will work this time. And this is how 7 million naira disappeared from his account, just like that. And this is where some of you actually make the same mistakes as Tony had done. You think Forex is about making fast money, so you rush into it, you over-risk, and you enter anything. Then you say, Forex is not working for me. No, it is not Forex that is the problem. You are just risking too much. If you don't know how to control your trade, you will lose all of it. And I have seen this happen so many times. That is why I'll always say, if nobody shows you how to actually manage your trade properly, you will keep repeating the same cycle. Fund, lose, fund again, lose again. The other day, during one of our sections in my community, we are literally opening the eyes of beginner traders to this same exact thing. How to actually know when to enter a trade, when to stay out of trade, and most importantly, how to protect your capital, because that is the part nobody talks about. Protecting your capital, it is everything when it comes to trading. Once that is gone, you're out of the game. So now in my community, a lot of beginners have become profitable traders because while they are learning everything they need to know, there is also an add-on of around 3 to 5 trade ideas daily that you can follow and earn from. If you have been going through the same cycle that Tony went through, you can click on the link on my bio or send Tony in the comment section, and I'll send you details to my free masterclass where you'll learn everything on how to be a profitable trader, whether as a beginner or someone who has started before, and also have more ideas and signals that you can trade from to earn on a daily basis. I'll see you on the inside. Later.